Hello and welcome to Bali. So today I have chosen to speak about freedom of choice, freedom of being different, because we are all unique and we have the right to choose what is best for us, and nobody else but you can know that. So you know that deep inside of yourself. And the most important thing for me today is that we respect the choice of each and every one of us. And it's not because we choose different options that we can't be friends anymore. I'm talking about that today because I can see around me that there is, it starts to have a lot of conflict regarding a very precise topic that you know what I'm talking about. And there is judgment, criticism, and rejection for some people. Some people in one side and some people in another side. But if we do that, we play the game of separation. And if there is conflict and separation, everyone is alone and we are just weak. So it's important that we just accept each other for our different choice, and it's not because we choose different options that we can't be friends anymore. So this is the message I wanted to give today, because I see some people which are really feeling alone, rejected, and they suffer from that. And we know that behind rejection is the fear of dying, because long time ago, if you were rejected from the group, it was a way for you to die more quickly because you were alone. Today it's not the case anymore, but still we have this information in our DNA, in our cells. So when people feel rejected because they did different choice, it's really a deep emotion, and it's bad for everybody. So I just would like to call to more compassion, understanding, and acceptance of the difference, because we are all unique, and we all make our choice through the filters of our belief system. And even a decision which could be imposed by some is as well based on a belief system. So who tells that this belief system is the right one? We all know that we have been programmed between 0 to 7 years old, and that we are living 95% under this program. So this program is made through the filters of the people which programmed us, our parents, the school, our family, the collective consciousness. So maybe even your own decision is not the one which belongs to you deeply. So today I think the best is that everyone is taking care of himself and people around him, even if they do not have the same choice. Avoid to reject people, accept that we are different. And it's beautiful. This is the diversity which is making the beauty of this planet. If everyone was the same, and if everyone was thinking exactly the same thing, it would be boring, and it will be we would look like robots. So I don't know if it's the world you would love to see tomorrow. So today it's a very important moment in time, because there is this separation which is coming. So just to take an example, there is two examples I can take. If you look at nature, we can see that there is a huge amount of species of plants, of trees, of animals. They all live in harmony, and nature is always abundant. Everything is always working well. As well, to take another example, for instance, in Bali, where I'm living, in Bali there is, I'm not religious, but there is all the religion here. There is Hindu, there is Muslim, there is Catholicism, and everyone is living in harmony. Even in a street, you can have Hindu, Muslim, you can have a temple, you can have a mosque, and you can have a church. And you can see people giving the Balinese offering, and at the same time you have a Muslim person which is going to the mosque, and it's fine. Everyone is doing whatever he wants and what is right for him, as long as you respect other people. It's as well in Bali a melting pot of nationalities, a melting pot of age, a melting pot of background. There are some people which only love to party, some people which are deeply spiritual, some people which are only into business, some people which are mixing everything, and everyone is living in a kind of nice intelligence. Of course, we all respect the rules of the country, but between each other, everyone does what he wants, because no one else but you can know what is best for you. So yeah, this is the message of today. And once again, do not fall in the trap of this separation, judgment, criticism. And take care of yourself, take care to be the best version of yourself. Work on yourself to remove this programming, to be sure that the filters of your subconscious mind are really yours and do not belong to someone else. So this is the message of the day. So my name is Véronique. I am energy healer. I'm doing a quantum energy healing session. We are working at a very light level. That's why it's quantum, because we can't see it. It's very, very small, because we work at the level of the subconscious mind to transform those programs which do not belong to you and do not serve you today. So we work on blockages, resistance, fear, whatever emotion which could be difficult for you. And as well, I'm offering a self-love program, which is a 4-module program, which is an empowering tool for you to understand where the world works, for you to see where you could transform some things quite easily into your life, for you to change your energy and what you're going to emit and then what you're going to receive. So it's very empowering. In this program, I give you, I transmit all the information that I could gather in 17 years of my personal journey. So yeah. And as well, I'm offering a meditation course, meditation manifestation. So it's 1 hour for you to learn how to meditate and manifest as well, for you to find peace, calm, self-regulation, and for you to find even more than that, but you need to practice to understand. Voilà, so feel free to contact me by message if you wanted to have more information. And take care of yourself, take care of the people around you, and be careful not to be judgmental with other people. Thank you. Bye.